Welcome, people, to Daily Global Motivation, the space where discipline is strengthened, focus is restored,
and productivity becomes a natural part of daily life rather than a constant struggle. This channel exists for those who feel busy yet unfulfilled, motivated yet unfocused, and ambitious yet trapped in cycles of distraction and delay.
Today's message is designed to help you reset your mind and regain control of your attention starting right now. This video matters because productivity is not about exhausting yourself with endless work, but about directing your energy with clarity, intention, and purpose. When focus is broken, effort becomes scattered and time slips away without meaningful progress. Watching this message until the end can help you shift from mental overload into a state of calm, controlled, and intentional action.
Before we begin, take a moment to support Daily Global Motivation by subscribing to the channel and liking this video so this message can reach more people who need it.
Comment mentors below with the word productive as a personal commitment to using your time and energy more intentionally.
Share this video with someone who feels overwhelmed and could benefit from a powerful mental reset today.
Now take a deep breath and allow your body and mind to settle into this moment as distractions slowly lose their grip. Let go, parents, of everything pulling at your attention and give yourself permission to focus fully on what matters most right now.
This moment of presence is where productivity truly begins. Productivity does not begin with doing more tasks. It begins with clearing mental clutter and reducing unnecessary demands on your attention.
A distracted mind jumps constantly between thoughts, responsibilities, and impulses, while a focused mind moves forward with precision and purpose. When you simplify what you are focusing on, your effectiveness improves almost immediately. Many people feel unproductive, not because they lack discipline or motivation, because their attention is scattered across too many responsibilities at once. Every unresolved task, notification, or lingering worry stress quietly drains mental energy, even when you try to ignore it. Over time, this mental overloads. Fixing your focus fast begins with choosing what matters most in this moment, instead of trying to do everything at once. Productivity increases when you commit to a single meaningful priority and give it your full, undivided attention. Clarity creates momentum and reduces hesitation. Your brain is not designed for constant stimulation, endless scrolling, or nonstop input. When it is overloaded with noise,
Information and interruptions, it becomes reactive rather than effective. Focus restores mental sharpness and efficiency. Multitasking may feel productive on the surface, but it actually weakens concentration and produces shallow results.
Constantly switching between tasks forces your brain to reset repeatedly, which wastes time and drains energy. Single tasking allows depth, quality, and completion. Productivity improves dramatically when you
Create clear boundaries that protect your attention from unnecessary interruptions.
When your mind knows exactly when to start and when to stop, resistance decreases and effort flows more naturally.
Structure does not limit freedom, it creates it. You do not need hours of work to be productive.
You need intentional minutes of focused effort. 10 minutes of uninterrupted concentration and
Can often produce more meaningful progress than an entire afternoon spent distracted.
Productivity is measured by impact, not by how long you stay busy. Resistance is not a signal that you should stop,
But often a sign that the work you are doing truly matters. Meaningful progress almost always comes with discomfort, uncertainty, and challenge.
Each time you push through resistance, you strengthen discipline and confidence. Completing tasks builds a productive identity and reinforces belief in your ability to follow through. Over time, your mind begins to associate focus with progress and satisfaction. Momentum grows naturally when your actions align with intention. Your environment plays a powerful role in shaping your ability to focus and stay productive. Visual clutter, constant noise, and frequent interruptions quietly drain mental energy and reduce concentration.
A clean and intentional space supports clear thinking and deeper focus. Productivity increases when you learn to decide
What deserves aims your attention and what does not. Not every message needs an immediate response.
and not every thought requires action. Focus grows when distractions lose their importance, and not every thought requires action. Focus grows when distractions lose their importance.
Preparing for focused work in advance reduces friction and mental resistance once you begin.
Removing distractions ahead of time allows your effort to flow more smoothly and naturally. Productivity improves when the path forward feels clear. Managing your energy is just as important as managing your time when it comes to productivity. Overworking without rest leads to mental fatigue and burnout, which eventually destroys focus. Sustainable productivity comes from balance, not exhaustion. Your mind performs best when tasks are clearly defined and broken into meaningful actions.
Vague goals create hesitation, overthinking, and delay. Clear direction creates movement and momentum. Productivity grows when you stop waiting for motivation and start taking action despite uncertainty. Action creates motivation through progress and feedback. Momentum feeds focus and clarity. Focus builds confidence because it proves to your mind that you can be trusted to follow through. Each disciplined work session strengthens self-belief and reliability. Over time, confidence becomes natural instead of forced. Productivity remains sustainable when recovery is respected. Repetition trains the brain to focus more quickly and for longer periods of time. What once felt difficult gradually becomes familiar and natural. Habits quietly shape productivity. Distraction is not failure, but feedback that reveals where improvement is needed. Each time you return your attention to the task at hand, you strengthen discipline. What matters most is how quickly you refocus. Productivity improves when expectations are realistic and aligned with progress rather than perfection. Chasing perfection often leads to delay and self-doubt. Completion creates clarity and forward movement. The present moment is where productivity actually lives, not in future plans or past mistakes. While planning has value, action creates results. Focus anchors you in what matters now. Small improvements repeated consistently compound into powerful results over time. Consistency almost always outperforms intensity. Daily focus builds lasting success. You are not behind in life as much as you are often distracted from your path. Focus realigns direction and restores confidence in your abilities. Progress resumes when attention is reclaimed. Fixing your focus fast is a skill that improves with awareness, repetition, and discipline. Like any skill, it grows stronger with consistent practice. Productivity becomes reliable when focus becomes a habit. Your future productivity depends on how you use moments like this, where you choose presence over distraction. Each focused decision strengthens self-control and clarity. Discipline slowly builds freedom. Let this be the moment you stop reacting to everything around you and start directing your energy with intention. Productivity thrives when attention is protected and purpose is clear. Focus unlocks meaningful progress. If this message helped you regain focus and boost productivity, support Daily Global Motivation by subscribing to the channel. Like this video, comment PRductive, and share it with someone who needs clarity and momentum. Stay focused, stay intentional, and remember that productivity begins with attention.